Hey guys, welcome back. So this is where we left off in the last video. I undecorated and got everything pretty much neat, but I waited a couple days before decorating again and it got a little bit messy, so I have to clean up just a little bit. I'm getting ready to search for all this Christmas stuff and start decorating. I absolutely love those storage chairs. Here I'm just putting on these white pillowcases. Now I love these pillow covers. They are fuzzy on both sides instead of fuzzy on only one side and solid on the back, but these are fuzzy on both, and that's why I chose these ones. Now a tip here would be to fold your pillows in half in order to get them in smoothly without any struggle. If you think they don't fit, just try folding them before you try to shove them in its hole. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it takes me forever to put a pillow inside of a pillowcase. So I just thought that tip might be a little bit helpful for you guys. Now that I got those pillows all done, I'm just trying to figure out where to put this garland at. I'm just trying to fluff it up a little bit and, just make it look a little bit more fuller. Here, I'm just trying to figure out if I want the garland to stay here. I'm a little bit undecided, so I'm just trying to figure that out. Now, it took me a while to figure out if I wanted this here or not because I was, just wasn't sure. And after a while, it's just like, you know what, let's just go with it and see. Let me just finish flocking the rest of it out and fluffing it up, and we'll just wing it. And if I didn't like it, we could move it. Now I'm just going to start decorating these end tables over here and move some stuff around. I got these reindeers from Kirkland's and I thought they were so beautiful. I forgot to cut the tags off, so I'm just doing that really quickly. Now I'm just going to be placing the reindeers where I want them to go and trying to just move stuff around. And there is a few items laying around, so I am cleaning up as I go. Moving along, I am ready to get this couch all cleaned up. There's toys on the couch and stuff, and I'm gonna fluff the pillows up, clean the toys out, clean the pillows up. So at the moment, I'm just fluffing these up, and I'm going to, move some stuff around and get rid of all the fall pillows and blankets. Now I had found these white blankets on Amazon, and I am going to be swapping out the gray ones for the white ones for Christmas. I wanted a more light and neutral looking Christmas this year. Now for the pillows, I'm not really sure what I want to do yet or where I want anything to go. And here I'm just putting away these fall blankets. Now these pillowcases, I love them as well. I got them from Amazon. The pattern on there is embroidered on, so I really love that fact. Instead of something being printed on, I thought that, fit my style and what I was looking for a lot better. So I'm just going to get these pillows in here and figure out where I wanted them to go. Now, I'm thinking of covering one of these silver pillows up, but again, here I'm not sure if I want to keep it that way or keep one silver and only have two of the tan ones on. So I wanted just to show you guys that it doesn't all come to me at once. I have to keep figuring out what I want, switching things out until I get, the desired look that I'm going for. Now moving to the other side, I'm just going to fluff these last two pillows up really quickly and then keep going with, the pillow covers. I wanted to add a white blanket on this side as well. Now I'm just adding the pillows back to the couch. So here I'm trying to figure out, do I want this hand pillow or leave it silver? And I'm still very unsure. So I just moved on and started doing this other pillow, which I am struggling with. I cannot get it inside that pillowcase. So after a very long struggle, I finally got the pillow inside the pillowcase. And I'm just going to decide where I want to place all these pillows. I still don't know if I want that silver one there or do I want a pillow cover on it. So I took that white pillow off the gray chair because it wasn't looking right to me. The room wasn't fitting together. I did decide that I wanted to cover this other silver pillow and I did not want the silver pillow there. I wanted it to, be more neutral because I felt like it wasn't enough. It was too much gray, if that makes any sense. So I'm just trying to figure out where I want these pillows. And it took me a minute to figure it out. But eventually I decided that the white ones looked so much better on the white couch and that these tan ones would look better on the gray couch because the room would, pull together that way. So here I'm just putting these tan pillows over here instead of the white ones. I thought they looked so much better and the room just like pulled together. It made the reindeers on the side pop. Moving on, I'm just cleaning up and decorating this. I put my remotes in my remote box and I'm gonna decorate my coffee table ottoman. Here, I don't know what I'm gonna do either. I was just winging it throughout this whole decorative process and trying to figure out what I wanted to go where. I absolutely did not like this, so it had to go. These trees light up. I bought them from Target. I'll link all that down below. So I wasn't feeling the mercury glass with the small white one either. So I did have another white one and I figured that would look so much better. But I do still feel something was missing here. So I found these little trees that I had from last year's Christmas and I got them from Dollar Tree. So this is my end result for my living room. I wanted something very simple and very neutral. And I think that I achieved it. I really love the outcome. I absolutely love how these side tables came out and I love the pillows. I think it looks so beautiful and I can't wait to finish decorating the rest of the house. I love the way these pillows turned out here. I'm glad I switched them. They look so much better here than they were on the other couch. I kept the garland there because it all came together once it was done and I loved it. I love the white pillows over here better. I love the fact that the neutral pillows on the sectional tie in with the neutral pillows on the gray chairs. This makes the room come together as one. Now, I wanted to go for simple coffee table decor without it compromising my design I already had there. And I love the way it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!